Hello and welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll show you how to block orders based on a product's vendor in Shopify. Let's open the Cart Lock app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several combinations here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which combination contains it. In this video, we'll use the vendor condition. So first, we'll search for vendor in the search bar and select it. Click Select Delete One combination to continue. In the section, for this example, we will select Block if found and enter vendor name KlinKode. Optionally, if you click on the Add a Condition button, you can see and use all other available conditions under this combination. For this example, we don't need any additional conditions. Here we can see that the Snow Bear product's vendor is KlinKode. Now go to the rule page and we will add a proper error message for the customers like, "Sorry, you can't order. Please contact support for the help." After that, click the Save button to apply your rule. This means the order will be blocked when products from the KlinKode vendor are in the cart. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the error message is displayed at the top of the checkout page, so the customer can't place the order, and the order completion is fully blocked. This happens because the customer adds a product from the KlinKode vendor to the cart. Customers will still be able to click the Pay or Complete button at the bottom and express checkout buttons like PayPal or Google Pay, but the payment will not be completed. Now let's remove the Snow Bear whose vendor is KlinKode and take a look. As you can see, the error message is gone, so now the customer can place the order again. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!